In this video, we'll be looking at the second ranking factor, which is how to make your videos engaging as a small channel. Hi there and welcome. If this is your first time to this channel, it's all about tips, strategies and tools that will help you make money as a YouTube affiliate solopreneur using just simple videos. So if you are interested in something like that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Every time someone clicks to start watching your videos on YouTube, YouTube knows how long the person ends up watching your video. That's why YouTube uses video engagement as one of the ranking factors in a way to force creators to keep viewers longer on their platform. According to the YouTube Creators Academy, in their search and discovery ranking algorithm, videos are ranked based on a variety of factors including how well the title, description and video content matches the viewer's query. We already talked about all that in the first video in this video series. If you haven't watched that yet, make sure to check the link that pops up in the top right of this video. Now, the second factor that YouTube uses to rank videos on the search results is engagement. YouTube doesn't hide the fact that they are using tools like video retention tools, the like and the heart button tools, as well as the comment section to measure a video's engagement. So when someone clicks to watch a video, YouTube measures how long the person spends on watching that video before clicking away to another video. Now that you know that YouTube can measure how long a person viewing a particular video spends on that video, what do you think will happen now when YouTube sees two different videos targeting the same keyword? Let's just say, for example, YouTube has measured from the first few views of two videos. Let's call them video A and video B. Let's also assume that both videos are targeting the same keyword phrase, wireless headphones. But for some reason, the first few views to video A was watched only for about 45 seconds with less likes and less comments, and the first few views for video B was watched for about 2 minutes 45 seconds with more comments and more likes. In your opinion now, which of these two videos do you think YouTube will rank high on the search results or suggest to other related videos? Of course, YouTube is going to go with video B simply because it engages the viewers a little longer than video A on their platform. Remember, the main goal of YouTube is to keep viewers as long as possible on their platform because that will result in more ads money that they make. So now, with all that information, how do you make your videos now engaging? Because that's where the real competition of video ranking is, and different YouTube creators engage in their videos in different ways. But those video creators who do well to engage their viewers usually tend to follow a similar pattern. Now, if you happen to have video editing skills, you already or probably already know what you can do editing wise to keep viewers watching your video much longer. If you don't have the editing skills, you can also pay someone to edit your videos. Fiverr, for example, is a platform where you can easily hire video editing freelancers. Having said all that, if you don't have the editing skills or the money to spend for freelancers, there are some basic tips that you can also use to keep viewers engaged in your videos. For example, the last thing you want to do in your videos when creating your video is stumbling over words or go off and ask people to wait for 3 minutes because something went wrong during filming, which is a good reason why you have to plan your videos before you create them. Maybe write out a script before recording to avoid stumbling over your words. Not only does scripting your videos allow you to keep your videos in line, it also helps you know what you're creating your video about, who you're creating the videos for, which all makes it easy to deliver value. A content that adds value is always engaging. Another great way of keeping your viewers engaged in your videos is by starting with a strong hook. The first 10 to 15 seconds of every video is very crucial to the success of the video. If you can hook your viewers, you will definitely have a high audience retention graph. Without starting with a hook in your videos, you might easily lose a majority of your viewers before you have the chance to deliver the value you want them to watch. Having said all that, it's worth taking note that every niche is also different. Unfortunately, there isn't one formula that works for everyone. What that simply means is, the hook you use when creating a tutorial video, for example, might not necessarily be the same hook you can use when creating a review video or an unboxing video. You can hook viewers by relating with them struggles. You can also start your hook by identifying a problem and promising a solution if viewers keep watching the video. If possible, you want to always end your video hook with a promise. A sentence like, "You are about to find out in this video," or "Watch this video if you want to get traffic." Now, for most YouTubers looking for traffic, they will definitely be engaged in the video. Your video hook should let your viewers know that they are in the right place and they could potentially get a solution to their problem. Another way of keeping your viewers engaged in your videos is by asking your viewers to either comment, like, subscribe, or share your videos to other platforms. Each of these social activities will help boost the video's engagement, which will also lead to high rankings and subsequently more views. Generally, I ask for likes, shares, and comments at the end of my video because I want to first deliver value. Other video creators decide to do it at the beginning of their videos, probably because majority of their viewers are not going to watch the whole video to the end. At the beginning of this video, for example, I ask you to subscribe, as well as flashing the subscription annotation button to remind you to subscribe. So when editing your videos, you also want to think about adding engaging graphics and strategically edit your videos by adding things like jump cuts. Jump cut, for example, is a simple transition between two video shots from the same position. It tends to create this jumping scene effect, hence the name jump cuts. When editing your videos, you also want to pay attention to missing gaps in your videos. Use text and custom annotations to fill them gaps if you find any. Adding all these small engagement focused segments have helped me start improving my video engagement. But the key ingredient for effective video engagement is providing value. If you offer your viewers what they are looking for, they will definitely watch through all your videos and even subscribe without you asking for. And with all that, I hope this video did provide you value. In the next video, we'll be looking at the third ranking factor, which is making it easier for viewers to find your videos to give it that initial 24 hours first boost. Now, before you go, if you found some value in this video, make sure to hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest series.
Yeah.